Recently, I came to know that famous Bollywood singer Palak Muchil has contributed towards 2200 heart surgeries in past few years. Palak is an accomplished Bollywood singer. She conducts several stage shows, and whatever that she earns from those stage shows, she spends it on these heart patients. Sometime back, I wrote that your success is directly proportional to the degree of life or number of lives that you touched for the better. And when I heard about Palak's accomplishments and her charitable work in supporting the heart patients, it reminded me that no wonder why Palak is such an accomplished Bollywood singer. Her first donation or contribution requires 55,000 Indian rupees. She thought she will have to do 2 to 3 stage shows. But when your intentions are right, divinity will always support you. She received the contribution of 55,000 in just one single stage show. Since then, Palak has never looked back. She continues to support the heart surgeries of hundreds of children as well as the patients who are in need of financial support. It is what your intention matters. Your purpose of life matters. And in this particular case, Palak's intention of serving to the lowest of the society, the neglected of the society, the destitute, and her purpose of life to devote her life for a service of the society and humanity, I'm sure Palak will have a success in her professional life in much greater magnitude. And therefore, I often say that success is directly proportional to the number of lives you have touched for the better. The question that I asked myself is that how many number of lives I have touched so far, or rather I have reframed it as to how many number of lives I'll be able to touch in years to come. And I was very clear with the answer: unlimited. As much as my purpose of life and intention is clear, I'll be able to support several hundred thousands and probably hundreds of thousands people. When you go out with the intention to serve the society, to serve the nation, and to serve the humanity, your success will be magnitudinal of the number of lives that you touched for the better. Have a great day.